We're gonna do the 10-minute makeup challenge today. Whatever, we'll use something. Are there any rules to it? I don't know, but we're gonna set my timer to 10 minutes. Can you see? Can you see? It says 10 minutes, okay? Have it for 10 minutes. I only have one light on, and honestly, my skin looks okay. 10 minutes. This is my bag. These are my restrictions that I'm giving myself. I'm only using whatever is in here. Is this a makeup wipe? Oh my gosh, why am I like that? A sponge, so I'll be back on that. This video's not gonna take long, don't worry. I'm back. So we're gonna do this in 10 minutes and 10 minutes only. Let me go ahead and lower this because we know if you watch any of my makeup videos, I go low. Okay, I go pretty low. My mirror's right here, so I'm gonna be facing like kind of sideways. I'm on my bed. Okay, just stop judging me. Why can't I breathe? Like, dang. Okay, we have 10 minutes. Only using what's in my makeup bag. Have my sponge ready. Let me go ahead and I should, you know. Alright, so we're gonna start this in, come on man. Now. Okay, you can see it now. Cool. I don't feel rushed at all. There's something wrong with me. I could have did this a long time ago, but did I? No. I just want y'all to know when it's over, you'll hear the Hunger Games sound. You know, like, yeah, that one. Okay. Okay. First, let's put on some mother freak frackin'. What is this, primer? Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot. I should have tuned up. And that's why I pissed out. Oh my gosh. A minute is almost done with. And what am I gonna do? I don't know. Okay. Okay. Eyebrows. Actually, yeah, eyebrows. Okay, take my Fenty one and what color is this? I don't freaking know. Dark. Very dark. I told y'all get low. How low can you go? Let me tell you something. We're gonna flip it to the other side and we're gonna really be blind on this. Can you still see me? Yeah. That don't look that bad. That don't look that bad at all. But it is. But it don't though, you know what I'm saying? So. Stop with the sniffling. I can't text you right now. I'm busy for the next few more minutes. Dude! I have 8 minutes left. Oh my gosh. Okay, does it look fine? It looks terrible, but we don't have time for this to be perfect. I could spend the whole 10 minutes on my eyebrows. Okay. Foundation. Use my ABH stick. Going in. Oh, that looks bad. That looks bad. Okay. Going in. Okay. Put that 7 on my face. Go down to the ground. Wow, why did I do that to myself? We all know that these take forever to blend out, and yet I am just going ham. I am. I'm about to make y'all real mad in a minute. Please don't judge me. Ooh. I look a mess. Okay. How much more time I got? I got 6 minutes! Ah! Okay. Concealer. Take my Too Faced one and the sculpting one and the sand in the one. I didn't know it was in sand. Okay. And then I have smile. This part right here. Gonna kill me. I already know what it is. Okay. And I have 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I think I'm doing good. For me to just have like this many nothing break. I look a mess though. I look a mess. Not even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. I look a mess. Here we go. Put some more around my mouth. We're not gonna contour. We're just not. Okay. We're not gonna put powder on. We don't have time for that. We have 5 minutes still. Mascara. Ooh, y'all, what if I beat the timer? What if? Because I ain't putting on eyeliner either, because that's hard. If we're being honest, this is what I do like every day. Except I do put powder on. So I might put powder on. I don't know yet. I look bad, but I don't look that bad, you know, like I don't look that bad yet. Under my eyes, maybe, because I have on very drastic different color shades of foundation and then concealer. Jeez. So how's life going for y'all? Y'all want to talk about that? Because last video I was trying to be all like, ew, we're gonna, oh wow, okay. Got it on my nose. It's gone now. Okay, cool. You know, my last video that I was trying to make, I was going to talk about mental health, but I have a whole sponge in there. It didn't work out like that. So I didn't know what to do. So instead, I looked on my, thingy-majig, what's that thing called? Dang. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, my whiteboard. There you go. I looked at my whiteboard, and I was like, what can I do? And then I realized I erased everything, right? I erased it all my video ideas. So I was like, okay, which one do I remember the most from it? And I remember the 10-minute makeup challenge. And I was like, okay, all trend. We're still gonna do it though. You know? And that's exactly what we're doing. Honestly, I don't know how people talk about their mental health when they're in a good state of mind. Like, that's so strange to me. Like, I have to talk about it in a bad state of mind so I can get my actual feelings out about it out and be like, you know. And then I'll be like, I'll be okay one day. You know, that's just how I feel. Right now, I'm okay. Oh, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Oh my gosh, I hate myself. Okay, now I have to fix it. Oh my gosh, it wasn't done drying. I hate this so much. Do y'all see this? This makes me so sad. I gotta wash this jacket anyways. It's okay. Someone said that, oh my gosh, this looks so bad. It just went bad so fast. Oh my gosh. Since it looks bad, let's go ahead and put on some lipstick or whatever. Which one is this? This is, ooh, effing black. Heck yeah. Actually, this will fit the vibe, huh? And it's my first time wearing it. I thought I wore this before. I guess not. There's this TikTok trend of alternate girls doing their makeup, and it has the brush to Tinashe's link up. This is so bad. This is just so bad. I hate this. How much time do I have left? I have a minute. I'm about to wipe some of this off. Hold on. Because I just can't. Like, I can't look this bad. In 10 minutes, I can't. I look better sometimes. Can't believe I messed up my black lipstick for nothing. The print is now gone. I'm gonna go in my eye a little bit. PLP, hold it down. Oh my gosh, that wasn't gone. It's still there on my nose. Okay. Where's my lip gloss? It's gonna look ugly, I'm sorry. I got 10 seconds. No! Okay. 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 Oh my gosh. This is terrible. Why didn't anybody tell me that the results would look like this? Okay, we're done. We're done, I guess. We're done. Okay, cool. Gotta show my boyfriend this. This one would be hilarious. Can I just fix this real quick? That's really all. Okay, so what you guys think? I think it looks really bad. I think, oh, I got it on my bed again. I'm always getting makeup on my bed. Does makeup in bed. Gets makeup on bed. Gets upset when makeup is on bed. Whatever. I can feel however I want. Honestly, if I didn't stop my eyebrows at what I'd stopped it at, this would have, none of this would have happened. Like, none of it. Because me and my eyebrows, man, we go in. And I look, me and my eyebrows, we have something going, and it's not going good right now. We're just trying to get through these rough times, okay? We're just trying to get through these rough times. And that's really it. Ever since I hurt my freaking finger, it's like kind of hard to do anything. Let's see. Do y'all really like this? Do y'all like this? I don't like this. I don't like this. But put my hair down, cover my face a bit. Maybe. Just maybe is a vibe. Maybe my hair's straight and stuff. Like, let's see. Let's zoom in some. I really hate my eyebrows. They look really bad. My mascara, before I messed it up. Oh my gosh. It was better than this. This is a tragedy. That's mascara all under me. I didn't even get the contour like I want to. See that? I could have covered that up. Could have covered this up more. It's a mess. Oh, you're exposing this baby. But yeah, guys, that's the 10-minute video challenge. I probably won't edit this. I'll probably just put my intro in, which I need to make a new one, if we're being honest. Now that I have my things with me. And I have a better computer. Yeah. One day I'll have like a room tour when I move out. I can't wait to freaking move out, dude. Like, I just want to move out. But no, the stupid coronavirus keeping me from doing my things. Like, all my money that I had saved up for my apartment, I have to use now since I lost my freaking job. And since I lost my freaking job because all the schools are closed down, I can't do anything except for do DoorDash and like Instacart and like all that stuff like that. But that ain't gonna help me or get me back to where I was. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just ain't. It's just not. And I'm really upset. Me and my homegirl are really upset. Like, I know people are really dying out here, but like, can they stop dying? No, I'm kidding. I really hope that they recover. There's a lot of deaths, but there's also a lot of recoveries too. I'm so happy so many people are recovering, but at the same time, people that are dying, it's like a life leaving. Like, that's really sad. It's like a really sad thing, and I hope everyone is quarantining themselves. Like, stop going out. Places are closed. They're not going to open for you. Stop opening places. Keep it closed. They need to make this lockdown even stricter, if anything, so that this whole thing can be. But here's my thing. If you're going to do a lockdown, test people. Stop being stupid about the testing. Just test people. Once we test people, we know how many people have it, how many people to quarantine for real, and so many much better things, you know, going on. But nobody wants to freaking listen to me. Whatever. Nobody wants to freaking listen to me, so it's like, whatever. And yeah, so now I'm just living in this box. I promise, when I move out. People think I'm a hoarder. I honestly just need a bigger closet. And more space, because this is not living. It's really not. I'm gonna take a picture and send it to my boyfriend and be like, did my makeup in 10 minutes. Go ahead and edit this so it's not that bad. I actually hate this picture. And then I have smiled. I'm a sucker for dimples. Why does it do that? Okay. Minutes now. Y'all can leave. Like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all feel, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope so too. Enough for you to subscribe. If you're one of those weird little kids that keep bothering me, can y'all like leave me alone? We're not friends, bro. We're not. I'm 22. You're, I don't know, young. Stop trying to talk to me. I don't want to be y'all's friend. No, that's weird. Go away. Okay, bye.